this guy was found in my son's aviary. G'day you mob, Blackie here. Who'd have thunk it? But we got ourselves a snake. It's a snaky old rainy, wintry, summery, middle of summer, chilly, wintry day. And that's absolutely when you expect to find a snake, isn't it? This is a brown tree snake, a Boiga Irregularis, mildly venomous. Won't kill me though. Might hurt if it latches on. They are rear-fanged snakes. They got to sort of grab a hold of you with their mouth and chew on you a bit to get the venom in. But this guy was found in my son's aviary, and they do have a tendency to like to eat eggs, small birds, lizards and whatnot. So as opposed to leaving him holed up in the aviary, big bird cage, I thought I'd wander him over the bush here and let him go, get a new lease on life. I'll try and work out where the sun is. Very pretty, very chill, as you can see. Doesn't give us stuff that I'm right in his face and the camera's right in his face. Look at his pupils, got very, very, very small and slitty. But yeah, they're, you know, quite obviously a mellow snake. Not too concerned with this guy grabbing him and whatnot. But let's go and before he gets too restless, where shall we put him? Why not up here in, oh, we're getting dark. Give him a run in the mango tree. Whoopsie, sorry about that. Oh crikey, it is dark in here, isn't it? Can't see dick. Wow, give me some exposure, camera. Well, based on how dark that appears, you probably just have to take my word for it that he's still here. And off he is going up into the tree. So that is the, well, second brown tree snake on camera for my snake season this year, and third one for actual grabs. Damn, I wish I'd let him go in a brighter spot now. You can't see anything at all. How do I don't think I can change my exposure while the camera is running, unfortunately. I've just got to kind of guess where he is. He's right under that. But being that it is very overcast and cloudy, cannot see nothing. So anyway, there you go. Brown tree snake catch and release into the bush. And we'll walk out of here, back out into the open. Thanks for stopping by. Happy snakes. Checkers. Checkers.